ROG Strix GA15. Primed for battle. Give yourself a competitive edge in esports with the arena-ready ROG Strix GA15. Designed inside and out for superior gameplay with top-notch cooling. This compact Windows 10 Pro gaming desktop uses up to an NVIDIA registered GeForce RTX trademark 3070 graphics card and an AMD registered Ryzen trademark 75800X CPU to deliver fluid visuals at high frame rates and responsive performance for everyday multitasking. Thoughtful details like a built-in carrying handle and headphone hook keep your battle station neat and portable, while customizable Aura Sync accents let every player show off their individual style. Design, performance, thermal, personalization, audio, connectivity, exclusive software, bundled peripherals. Design, stealth style, tailored cooling solutions and a focus on thermal design elevate the performance of the GA15. Its aerodynamic chassis has widened vents that stealthily direct more cool air through the machine. Travel to esports competitions and lands with a built-in carrying handle for easy portability. Special, ME-shielded glass lets you look inside the chassis to watch the powerful components at work. Performance, fast and fluid. Smooth, clear graphics are crucial in esports, where reaction times make or break plays. Up to an NVIDIA registered GeForce RTX trademark 3070 pumps out reliably high frame rates for fast and fluid play, while up to a potent AMD registered Ryzen trademark 75800X 8-core CPU gives you enough power to handle creative work like streaming and video editing too. Armed with up to 64GB DDR4 3200 memory, you can easily game, stream, browse, and chat without missing a beat. Windows 10 Pro. Up to GeForce RTX trademark 3070. Graphics. Up to AMD registered Ryzen trademark 75800X. CPU. Up to 64GB DDR4 memory. Thermal. Breath from every side. Comprehensive cooling enables higher sustained clock speeds for superior performance while gaming and multitasking. Widened vents on all sides of the chassis direct airflow through a multi-zone design that separates the CPU and graphics card from the PSU and storage to minimize thermal interference and lower ambient temperatures. Better breathing means you can maintain high FPS through marathon gaming sessions. Personalization. Personalized to perfection. Creating the perfect PC experience demands deep customization and personalization options. A transparent glass side panel showcases the GA15's internal RGB lighting, while its Aura Sync support ensures you can coordinate those colors and effects across a full collection of compatible peripheral devices. With ROG Armoury Crate software, you can tweak all of your PC's aesthetic and performance settings to your exact preferences. Audio. Sync into superior sound. Audio comes through clearer and brighter on the GA15. Premium audio capacitors enable richer, more immersive overall sound. Superior shielding separates analog and digital signals to reduce interference, while separate layers for left and right channels minimize crosstalk between paths. With Sonic Studio 3, gamers can switch between professionally tuned presets or manually modify their settings to perfection. Connectivity. Get connected. Hook up your favorite devices and get in-game fast. The GA15 offers fast charging and data transfer via one reversible Type-C trademark port with peak interface bandwidth of 10 Gbps via USB 3.2 Gen 2, plus 5 Type-A USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports that give you plenty of space for all of your favorite peripherals. For gaming or streaming 4K video on the big screen, connect via the HDMI 2.1 port, or use the DisplayPort 1.4A outputs to drive a high-refresh gaming monitor. Wi-Fi 6 offers speed and convenience for everyday use, while the LAN port enables low-latency connections for online gaming. Exclusive software. Unified system control with Armoury Crate. ROG Armoury Crate software unifies system and lighting controls to put essential settings at your fingertips in a single utility. You can easily define and customize scenario profiles that automatically make adjustments when you launch your favorite titles. Bundled peripherals. Gear up and game. Bundle up with an impressive array of gaming peripherals and accessories. The ROG Strix Flare RGB mechanical gaming keyboard comes with Cherry MX switches, a customizable illuminated badge, and dedicated media controls for gaming. Mouse with precision with the ROG Gladius 2, equipped with a DPI switch for superior sensitivity control. Both accessories are Aura Sync compatible, so you can customize and coordinate RGB lighting across your ecosystem of accessories.